Hello everyone, I got character controller in. Now I can move around in any direction based off of the camera. So if I click forward, I'm going camera forward, not any other forward. And my character is rotating in the velocity that I'm going. So if you get pushed and things like that, and velocity goes different, um, you'll rotate and move based off of that stuff. Taking from my previous iterations of character controller, and this is a good start. Thanks for checking out. I've got world, I got environment, and next is camera. I hope we enjoy that tomorrow. It'll be nice. Drown in the water. Drown in it. But yeah, now we've got environment, we've got time, we've got character, we've got all these things. So we're well on our way to start proofing out things, seeing where stuff isn't working, and how we can proceed. I hope to show you guys some more fantastic updates. Thanks for coming along. Bye.